Welcome to NetBackup Secure Communications Administration. Perhaps you're new or have just upgraded to the latest version of NetBackup. This guide is a quick reference to getting started with the administration and management of some of the newer security features of NetBackup. You'll notice that if you click the Getting Started item in the right-hand pane, the first thing you're prompted to do is set a passphrase for the disaster recovery package so that the catalog backup can be successful. So let's go to the global security settings and set the passphrase now. The passphrase is used to secure the disaster recovery package, which contains master server identity information. This will be important should you need to recover the master server without redeploying certificates to your entire environment again. Along the bottom of the console in the right-hand pane are two tabs. The second tab, Disaster Recovery, is where we set the passphrase for the disaster recovery package. Take note of the rules for a valid passphrase. You should also record this passphrase somewhere safe and test it occasionally using the command you see on your screen. Next, we should look at the secure communication setting on the first tab. This section lets you know if NetBackup is using self-generated certificates for identity information or if it's using your own certificate chains from your corporate PKI infrastructure. You can run NetBackup in mixed mode or dedicated mode. The Enable Insecure Communication setting is enabled by default and allows clients below 8.0 to communicate insecurely until they are upgraded. Disabling this setting will prevent pre-8.0 clients from communicating with the master in any way, which will lead to backup failures for those clients. The Automatically Map Hostname setting allows NetBackup to automatically map cross-referenced aliases and hostname discoveries. The default is on, but as per the notes on the settings, this may not be favorable in high security environments. Next, let's talk about the security level for certificate deployment setting. For most environments, the default setting of high should be suitable. The criteria when a client can get a certificate is defined to the right of the slider. The medium setting will allow unknown hosts to obtain certificates if the hostname can be resolved to an IP, and the very high setting results in all hosts requiring a token to get a certificate. Let's assume the first thing we might want to do is deploy some new clients that are unknown to the master running with the default high security setting. We will need an authorization token for this. First, click on Token Management in the left-hand pane. In the right-hand pane, you can create and clean up tokens by right-clicking. Right-clicking an existing token presents the additional options to show or delete a token. Let's say we want to install 10 new clients. We can create an authorization token that only allows 10 uses within a specified time frame. First, fill in all your options and then click Create. You can now use this token on the clients. We can also view information and manage deployed certificates under the Certificate Manage section of Security. Here, you can see the state of existing certificates, revoke certificates, generate reissue tokens for known clients, and view the certificate authority fingerprint. Certificates can be mapped to more than one hostname. This may be needed if your clients are multi-homed or resolved to different names on different segments of your network. To manage certificate to hostname mappings, go to the Host Management section in the left pane. Here you can see the status of clients, their mapping and host IDs, which is a unique identifier for each client UUID. The green padlock indicates the client is NetBackup 8.1 or higher and has securely communicated with the master. The red padlock indicates the client is down level or has not securely communicated yet. At the bottom of the right-hand pane, you'll notice the Mappings for Approval tab. You should frequently check this for any mapping conflicts that require approval. Finally, you should look at the Security Events section in the left-hand pane. Here you can view audit trails of security operations. This is split between two tabs, accessible via the tabs at the bottom of the right-hand pane. The first tab can be used to monitor and review access history. The second tab can be used to monitor certificate authority. Both of these areas can be useful when troubleshooting certificate and logon issues. This completes our tour of the new secure communication and certificate management features in NetBackup. For more detailed information on certificates, tokens, or security management, please visit the URL you see on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.